The Sino-Indian War. In 1962, troops from the People's Republic of China and India clashes in territory claimed by both. China won a swift victory in the war, Chin, part of which was under Chinese jurisdiction before the war, remained under Chinese control since then. Another small area, the Trans-Karakoram, was democrated as a line of control between China and Pakistan, although some of the territory on the Chinese side is claimed by India to be part of Kashmir. The line that separates India from China is in this region is known as the line of actual control. Operation Gibraltar and the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. Following its failure to seize Kashmir in 1947, Pakistan supported numerous covert cells in Kashmir using operative based in its New Delhi embassy after its military pact with the United States in the 1950s. It intensively studied guerrilla warfare through engagement with the U.S. military. In 1965, it decided that the conditions were ripe for a successful guerrilla war in Kashmir, code-named Operation Gibraltar. Companies were dispatched into Indian administrated Kashmir, the majority of whose members were Razakars, volunteer and Mujahideen recruited from Pakistan administration Kashmir and trained by the army. These irregular forces were supported by officers and men from the paramilitary Northern Light Infantry and Azad Kashmir Rifles, and as well as the commandos from the Special Services Group. About 30,000 infilators are estimated to have been dispatched in August 1965 as a part of the Operation Gibraltar. The plan was for the infilators to mingle with the local populace and incite them to rebellions. Meanwhile, guerrilla warfare would commence, destroying bridges, tunnels, and highways, as well as Indian Army installation and airfield, creating conditions for an armed insurrection in Kashmir. If the attempts failed, Pakistan hoped to have raised international attention to the Kashmir issue using the newly acquired sophisticated weapons through the American armed aid. Pakistan believed that it could achieve tactical victories in a quick, limited war. However, the Operation Gibraltar ended in a failure as the Kashmiris did not revolt. Instead, they turned into infilators to the Indian authorities in substantial numbers, and the Indian army ended up fighting the Pakistani army regular. Pakistan claimed that the captured men were Kashmiri freedom fighters, a claim contradicted by the international media. On 1st September, Pakistan launched an attack across the ceasefire line targeting Akhnur in an effort to cut Indian communication into Kashmir. In response, India broadened the war by launching an attack on Pakistani Punjab across the international border. The war lasted until 23rd September, ending in a settlement. Following the Tashkent Agreement, both the sides withdraw to their pre-conflict position and agree not to interfere in each other's internal affairs.